If you cut open the stomach of a sperm whale, you would not just find food. You would find stories. Leftovers of monsters no human has ever seen alive. And sometimes things so strange that they even shock scientists. The sperm whale is the deepest diving predator on Earth, traveling down to nearly 3,000 meters. Down there, pressure squeezes harder than steel. And yet the sperm whale glides through this world as if it belongs to it. The only proof of what happens in the dark comes from the things found inside the whale, things no camera has ever filmed at depth. The first of those finds is especially disturbing. We start with giant squid beaks. When researchers examined stranded sperm whales in the Azores and the North Atlantic, they found something astonishing. Hundreds of giant squid beaks sitting inside the stomach like a collection of polished black knives. Giant squid can reach 13 meters long, yet their beaks, made of chitin tougher than most plastics, cannot be digested. So the whale does the only thing it can. It stacks them, sometimes hundreds, like collected trophies. In one documented case, researchers removed more than 500 beaks from a single male sperm whale. Each beak belonged to a creature with tentacles lined with serrated suckers. Each one was swallowed whole, wrestled in pitch-black water where the whale could only see through sonar. Even more disturbing, many of the beaks still had torn muscle stuck to them, proof of violent, rapid kills. Every beak is a message. Something enormous fought this whale, and the whale won. Number 2. Colossal squid hooks and suction rings. If giant squid look unsettling, colossal squid are what happens when the ocean decides giant isn't big enough. Their hooks rotate, their suction rings are lined with sharp teeth. Their bodies weigh up to 500 kilograms, almost double a giant squid. And yet, pieces of these nightmare animals have been found inside sperm whales. In documented strandings from New Zealand and the South Pacific, scientists found rotating hooks, tentacle fragments, and suction inside the whale's stomach. Some hooks were embedded in the stomach wall, still razor sharp. Others were found floating loose, torn from colossal squid arms during violent struggles kilometers below the surface. One specimen had a tentacle fragment still attached to a cluster of intact hooks, as if the whale had ripped the arm clean off. Footage exists of colossal squid brought to the surface, huge, pale, heavy creatures with eyes the size of dinner plates. But no footage exists of a sperm whale fighting one in the deep. All we have are these remains, like clues left at a crime scene. And the scars across sperm whale faces, the long, pale, circular marks, match the exact shape of colossal squid suckers. Each ring is the size of a coffee cup. You don't get scars like that from peaceful encounters. At number 3, parasites longer than your arm. Just when the list seems it cannot get more disturbing, it turns inward. Marine biologists examining sperm whales have found internal parasites that are longer than most snakes. Tapeworms, measuring 6 to 10 meters, have been documented coiled inside the whale's intestines, and some infestations were so heavy that they caused physical blockages. These parasites do not fight the whale like a squid. They drain it slowly. Some latch onto the intestinal lining. Others absorb nutrients directly through their skin, growing thicker with every meal the whale digests. In one recorded case, a stranded whale in Iceland had so many internal worms that researchers described the intestine as densely packed, like a rope filled with rope. The parasites were still alive. Footage from dissections shows these long, pale parasites stretching across the deck, moving slowly even after removal. It is horrifying in a different way. Not violent, not dramatic, just quietly relentless. And because the deep sea is full of intermediate hosts, such as fish, squid, and crustaceans, sperm whales are exposed to far more parasites than shallow water marine mammals. Every dive is a lottery, and each time something inside the whale grows a little longer. What comes next is stranger, sadder, and in some cases completely man-made. If you enjoy learning how nature sneakily hides its worst surprises inside its largest animals, feel free to like and subscribe. At number 4, human trash. In 2014, a young sperm whale washed ashore in Spain. When biologists opened its stomach, they did not find squid. They did not find parasites. They found 59 different pieces of plastic, fishing rope, plastic sheeting and bags, a broken bucket, and shockingly, a car bumper. In another case in the North Sea, a whale had swallowed a complete section of nylon fishing net, so tangled it had formed a dense, compact ball the size of a washing machine. Some whales had swallowed gloves, plastic rope floats, and in one modern stranding, a length of PVC pipe. None of this looks like food. None of this belongs in a stomach. But sperm whales hunt by sound, not sight. When an object drifts through the deep, echoing like something soft and squid-shaped, the whale reacts the only way evolution taught it. It swallows first and identifies later. And sometimes the mistake kills the sperm whale. These stomachs do not just tell stories of the deep. They reveal the scars of human presence stretching far beyond the surface. At number 5, sperm whale teeth. Most people picture sperm whales as gentle giants, slow, calm, drifting like submarines made of muscle. But adult males are nothing like that. When they fight, they ram each other with their massive heads, clash jaw to jaw, and bite down with teeth up to 20 centimeters long. And in rare dissections, scientists have found broken tooth fragments from one whale lodged inside another. Sometimes the shards were embedded in the stomach lining. Sometimes they were swallowed accidentally during combat. And in one case, a whale carried pieces of another male's tooth deep in its gut. These are not delicate misunderstandings. These are violent clashes between animals weighing 40 to 50 tons, powered by the loudest biological sonar ever measured. Each broken tooth fragment proves something about sperm whales we rarely acknowledge. For all their intelligence and social bonds, their world is also shaped by aggression, territory, and competition. And some of those battles leave marks deep inside their bodies. At number 6, calcified masses and ear stones. If broken teeth are violent and trash is tragic, this next one is simply strange. Inside some sperm whales, scientists have found clusters of calcified masses that resemble stones. At first glance, they look like swallowed gravel, but they did not come from outside. The whale grew them. These masses form in the tissues near the ear, jaw, or stomach, sometimes caused by infections or chronic irritation. When researchers cut them open, they reveal layered rings like tree trunks, recording the whale's life year by year, diet shifts, stress, even environmental changes. Some clusters weigh several kilograms. Others sit loose inside the stomach, rolling like biological marbles. They are not painful or deadly. They are just mysterious. Strange geological echoes forming in the body of an animal that spends half its life in silence and pressure. At number 7, ambergris. And then there is the final discovery, the most famous, the most valuable, and arguably the strangest. Ambergris is a waxy, grey substance formed inside sperm whales when sharp squid beaks irritate the gut. Instead of piercing the intestine, the whale coats the beaks in layer after layer of protective material until the beaks become trapped in a smooth, soft mass. Ambergris can be tiny. It can also be enormous, over 100 kilograms in some historical cases. Some whales expel it naturally, letting it drift for decades across the ocean. Others keep it inside, sometimes to the point of blockage and death. But once ambergris reaches air and sunlight, its smell changes. It ages and it mellows, and in the perfume industry, it becomes more valuable than gold. Imagine a prize worth millions, created by irritation, pressure, and pain inside one of the deepest diving animals on the planet. It is the oddest combination of beauty and biology the ocean ever produced. The things found inside sperm whales are more than stomach contents. They are evidence, living records from a world almost no one will ever see. If you enjoy watching evolution file its stranger reports inside the largest predator with teeth, feel free to like and subscribe before the next whale reveals something we absolutely were not prepared for. If you want to know what kind of monsters sperm whales drag up from the darkness, watch the video titled "The Monsters Sperm Whales Drag Up from the Deep."